Hello everybody, my name is Victor. I'm taking part in May LeetCoding challenge. If you're doing the same, please comment my solutions and share yours. I'd be happy to take a look. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep this gig going. Now, let's get straight into it.
How's it going, guys? The week number 2 has just officially started. So the problem for today is check if it's a straight line. Let's get straight into it. So you're given a coordinates, basically a set of points, and you need to determine if we can draw a line, a straight line through all the points. As you clearly see for this example, we can do this, and for this example, we can't. Let's discuss what does it mean to be on the same line for a couple of different points. Let's remember how we can determine a line. Actually, we need only two parameters, two numbers. One of them is the slope. So this is the slope to the x-axis, and another one is the shift along this axis. So imagine that we have only 2 points, and we can compute the slope. Then we can go further from this point to this one, and we can compute the slope once again for these 2 points. If they have the same slope, it means that 3 points now stay the same line. Let's take a look at this example and try to check if our algorithm works. So we compute the slope for these 2 points. Then we compute the slope for the next 2 points. And turns out that the slope has just changed, right? It means that there is no way that we can put all 3 points to the same line, since they have different slope. That's exactly what we need to do to solve this problem. We'll be iterating through all the points and check, do they have the same slope? If all the points have the same slope, it means that we can put them on the same straight line. And now, let's implement it. At the very first step, we have 2 points. And we can compute the slope as following. Actually, let's take a look at the plot once again. The slope can be computed as the ratio of this side to this side of this triangle. That's how we can compute the slope. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I just computed the slope. 1.0 is to cast this to double, since it's not an integer value anymore. So I'm iterating through all the points and doing the same thing. I'm just computing the next slope, and I have to make sure that the next slope stays the same. If it doesn't, then we can return false right away. And if we just checked all the points, all the slopes, they are all the same, we can say that now it's true. All the points stay at the same line. This vector decomposition doesn't work, so let me just change it. I checked it for the examples which were given to us, and now I think it's time to submit the code. And accepted. Alright guys, as usual, if you have any questions, if you want to share your code with me, or some tips and tricks on how did you approach to this problem, please, I'll be happy to get this feedback. See you tomorrow.